Looking for white elephant gifts ideas for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1. KidsFunwares are specially designed to make mealtime more engaging and enjoyable for kids. While addressing the concerns of parents in getting their child to stay at the dinner table, finish their meal and eat healthy, they promote family unity at the table by KidsFunwares. Number 2. Funny Winter Toe Big Feet Warm Soft Plush Slippers. Novelty toe pattern, Halloween party. Provides super comfort and warmth to your feet. It makes a gift for any friends or loved ones, by Eforstore. Number 3. Hamburger Cat Graphic Hoodies, Funny 3D Printed Pullover Hoodie. A front kangaroo pocket make the perfect space for warm your hands and storing the essentials like keys, mobile phone, earphone, credit cards etc. by Leapparel. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.